Hi, I'm Sangeeta and my team members are M. Sangeeta and B. Nilofar, and this is our project. Our project name is Mode Fracture Detection System using image processing. These are the contents that we are going to see now. Problem statement. When the bone region is segmented manually, the precision will be low. But in this process, the detection and segmentation is based on automation. So the precision will be high. And also the main motivation of this process is to identify cracks, infections or any injuries and abnormal bones using high precision. And abstract. Medical image segmentation is to extract anatomical structures from medical images. Existing methods for medical image segmentations are reviewed and then processed methods like anisotropic discrete dual tree wavelength transform to characterize the anisotropy of bone texture. A texture classification framework is proposed based on support vector machine. And introduction is an image is an array or a matrix or a square pixels arranged in columns and rows. And also in an 8-bit grayscale image, each picture element has an intensity that ranges from 0 to 255. And in grayscale image is what people normally call a black and white image, but the name emphasizes that if such an image will also include many shades of gray. It is a type of signal processing in which input is an image and output may be image or characteristics associated with that image. Nowadays, image processing is among rapidly growing technologies. It forms core research area within engineering and computer science disciplines too. Image processing basically includes the following 3 steps: importing the image via image acquisition tool, and analyzing and manipulating the image, and the output is an altered image based on image analysis. The main objective is to detect the bone damages and to classify the type of damage occurred in bone X-ray image. Literature survey. Methodology: list of modules, input image, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification, performance measures. This is our system diagram. First, input image. Input image using an imread command, that is image read command. The example reads one of the sample image include with the toolbox an image and stores it an array named I. Image read infers from the file that the graphic file format is tagged image file format. Display the image using the imshow function, that is image show function. You can also view an image in the image viewer app. Pre-processing. In computer graphics and digital imaging, image scaling refers to resizing of digital image. In the case of decreasing the pixel number, this usually results in visible quality loss. Segmentation. This paper deals with a new anisotropy discrete dual tree wavelength transform to characterize the anisotropy of bone texture. The texture classification framework is adopted to assess the performance of the proposed transform. We propose to extend the conventional discrete dual tree wavelength transform by using the anisotropy basis functions, and also it is associated with the hyperbolic wavelength transform instead of isotropic spectrum supports. Segmentation. Segmentation is done using fuzzy C-means algorithm. It is one of the most promising fuzzy clustering method. The main idea of fuzzy clustering method is to alter perfectly the input data into high dimensional feature space, and then it will increase the possibility of linear separability of the patterns. FCM also determines the number of clusters in the data set, which is another good quality of FCM. Feature extractions. Feature extractions is done by 3 steps. Find the interest point, considering the region around each key point, compute a local descriptor from the region and normalize feature, match local descriptors. Classification. In machine learning, support vector machines or supervised learning models with associated learning algorithm. It is used for classifications and regression analysis. Here is a set of training examples, each marked as belonging to one or the other of two categories. SVM training algorithm built a model that assigns new example to one of the category or the other, making it a non-probabilistic binary linear classifier to use SVM in a probabilistic classification setting. Next is the estimation. Specificity measures the proportion of negatives that are currently identified as such currently identified as not having the condition. True positive, false positive, true negative, false negative. True positive means sick people correctly identified as sick. False positive, healthy people incorrectly identified as sick. True negative means healthy people currently identified as healthy. And also false negative means sick people incorrectly identified as healthy. This is the result. Input image, resized image and filtered image, KFCM segmentation, image plotting, segmented cytoplasms, performance, and this is a performance table. Social impacts. It helps in locating alien objects inside the bone or around them. They help orthopedists to identify cracks, infections, injury and abnormal bones. Fine segmentation will be achieved.